Today I'm going to show you one of my most loved blowout styles. It's really easy, a little hard to sleep on, but the results are always worth it. I love me some Bantu knots, so let's get into the video. So this is actually going to be my first style after having in those mini twists. I have them in for about a month. Honestly, I haven't had a style in longer than this, but I had to detangle my hair, so it's the perfect time for me to try the Cecred Detangling Spray. And my thoughts on this spray. So overall, it took me the same amount of time to do it versus, oh my gosh, I just found a bug, like, y'all, hold on. I killed a bug. That was the scariest moment of my life. But like I was saying, it took the same amount of time as if I was using a leave-in conditioner, which is what I usually use. But then again, I usually use the leave-in conditioner plus water spray, but this time I want to use the detangling spray, which was like saving me a step. But my one thing is, since I wasn't detangling like braids had to do in most of the videos, I wish the bottle was bigger because I was just using more. I believe I used like a little bit over half of the bottle, and this is pretty pricey. So I just wish it was bigger because I have a lot of hair. Y'all know this by now. It's cool thing to use. I will use it again, and I might buy it again. I'll see what I think next time I'm using it. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead, wash my hair. This is all of my shed hair, and see you when I'm done washing. Okay, I'm back from washing my hair. It shouldn't take that long, actually. It took long because I was tired. But now we're gonna go ahead and start blowing my hair out. This is everything I'm about to use. This is my Shark FlexFusion. Love her. I'm doing her on both the wet and the dry mode, so 2 in 1. And then I'm gonna use the frizz-free not hydrating anti-frizz treatment by Amika. And then I'm using this as well. So I'm watching Love Island Games. Are y'all watching that right now or not? I'm still like 2 episodes behind, but I will be caught up today. And I'm gonna watch Reasonable Doubt next. It's gonna be a good night. Oh, and also Paper, the Office spinoff. Have y'all watched that? Because I'm about to watch that. So literally all I'm doing is adding in the Amika Frizz-Me Not Leave-In Spray treatment, and then I'm doing the Kenra blow dry spray one after the other. Also perfect timing because why did I run out of the Kenra blow drying spray after the last section? Divine timing, I think so. But yeah, very simple, very easy. I just finished detangling and putting a last spray in. And now we're gonna blow out. I try to part my hair as like good as I can right now and when I was in the shower, so hopefully it makes everything go by faster. Now I already have a video on the FlexFusion on my channel already. I'll have it linked in the cards, but I'm about to do it on the wet setting first on high heat. I am back. My phone died, my camera died, my light died, my iPad died, everything literally died on me. So I did this half off camera. But I'll show you what I did. So I have about 5 Bantu knots on this side. They're not perfect, but that's okay because it's literally 4:30 in the morning. I'm trying to go to bed at so I'm gonna be at 11. So I would recommend doing more Bantu knots. Really, the amount of Bantu knots depends on how much time you got. Really. But I already pre-sectioned all my Bantu knots. On this side, we're just gonna go over it on the dry setting. I'm not gonna change the fan or the heat setting because I don't got time. Okay, we are finally done. I'm just gonna hit it with this again, then we're gonna go to sleep. I was I have look crazy doing that, but I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, good morning, y'all, or good afternoon. It's like 2:18 p.m. I got to sleep in today, so I got to move my appointment. I'm so happy. But let's take the hair down. I just got this new Jisoo oil, so I'm gonna use this to take my hair down. We're not using a lot, just a little bit, and it smells really good. Here's the hair now. Very juicy. Oh, I missed one. Oh my gosh. Okay, now here's the hair now. Look at that. Look at the shine. This looks really, really good. We're gonna lightly separate it. I still have the oil in my hand, so I'm not gonna really add that much. I might add a little bit more, but not right now. But we're only gonna separate the hair where I want to be separated at. And y'all, unfortunately, it was raining earlier. I don't know if it's done. Even I'm looking outside and it's like a nice day. But I'm about to leave. Let me show you what I am bringing. So this is my satin scrunchie from, where's she from? Girlfriend Collective. And then I have this hairbrella. Where's it from? Hairbrella, that's the brand. It's actually inside out. It's called Hairbrella. So you can separate your hair more from here, or you can keep it like this. I'm gonna keep it like this because I want my hair to grow throughout the day, but I'm gonna spray my hair one more time with something else I bought. So this is the Kenra 5 Anti-Humidity Spray. I know I sprayed my hair with the Anti-Humidity Spray last night twice, but could never go wrong. I want my hair to last. Do a bar. And this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. Okay, and now I have to go, guys. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what I should do next. And I love you guys. See you guys next week.